If you're looking to get a deep dive into the Librarian AI, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you dive in. This just released software is turning heads, but is it really as revolutionary as it seems? Let's break down the features, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether Choto, the Librarian AI, is the right tool for you. The Librarian AI is designed to help manage and organize information, making it perfect for businesses and professionals who deal with a high volume of data. Whether you're managing client information, organizing resources, or looking to streamline workflows, this software promises to keep everything neatly structured without the hassle of manual labor. One of its key strengths is its intelligent tagging and categorization system. The AI can automatically categorize data, tag content based on keywords, and sort information into neat, easy-to-navigate sections. If you're tired of digging through endless folders and files, the Librarian AI could be a game changer. The software also boasts a powerful search function that can locate any document or piece of information in seconds, even within larger datasets. Using natural language processing, it understands your queries in a way that's more intuitive than traditional search functions. Imagine being able to ask it anything and having it pull up relevant information immediately, no more wasted time. Now, let's talk about its user interface. The design is clean, minimalistic, and highly user-friendly. No steep learning curve here. Whether you're a tech novice or an experienced user, navigating through the software feels intuitive. Plus, its drag-and-drop functionality makes organizing files a breeze, which is a huge time saver for teams working on tight deadlines. Another standout feature is its collaboration tools. You can share documents, collaborate in real time, and even assign tasks to team members, all within the same platform. It's essentially like having a digital assistant that keeps everyone on the same page. If you're working with a team or have clients, this feature will help eliminate the need for endless email chains or missed updates. One of the most impressive aspects of the Librarian AI is its ability to learn. The more you use it, the better it understands your workflow and can make smarter recommendations. This means that over time, it becomes even more efficient at managing your data, providing better results with minimal effort on your part. Security is also a top priority with the Librarian AI. All your data is encrypted, and you have full control over access permissions, ensuring that only the right people can view sensitive information. Whether you're storing client files, proprietary data, or just managing documents, you can rest easy knowing your information is protected. But here's the thing. The Librarian AI is still new, and while it shows a lot of promise, there are a few minor kinks to iron out. The integration with third-party apps is still in its early stages. So if you're relying on a specific tool that isn't supported yet, you may need to wait a little longer for full compatibility. Overall, the Librarian AI offers incredible value for anyone looking to organize data efficiently, collaborate with a team, and automate tedious tasks. If you're curious about how this could fit into your workflow, you can try it out for free by clicking the first link below. If you're still on the fence, don't worry. I've spent hours testing countless AI tools, and I've got my recommended picks for you in the description. They're all tools I've used myself and trust, and many of them offer free trials, so you can test them risk-free. The Librarian AI might just be the solution you're looking for, but make sure to check out the other options too.